Paging Doctor, paging Doctor, paging Doctor, paging Doctor, paging Doctor.
Paging Dr. Dad, is that what I hear, Doctor? How you doing, Dr. Jerissa? All right, how you been?
Good.
All right, sweaty crab.
Good.
All right, sweaty crab. So, how you been?
Good.
Good? Ay, ay, ay. Hello, guys. Are you excited for your patient today? Yeah. So, you guys, today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. Have you ever heard of that? I wonder how that's possible. Elephant toothpaste. Sounds a little scary, eh? Yeah? What you think? What can we do with elephant toothpaste? I don't know.
Use water.
Yeah, water. So right here we have warm water, Dr. Carissa. Is that what you're trying to tell them? Huh? Warm water? And what is this called? Remember? No. So we have, this is 3 tablespoons of warm water, not hot, warm water. And we have,
It's cold water.
that is cold, yeah. We have half a cup or 4 ounces of hydrogen peroxide, 3% preferably.
And this.
We have food coloring, as well as 3 dabs of Dawn dish soap. And we have a vase. Well, cup, you call it a cup. And a sheet pan if you want to use it. And I don't know my nose side. I don't like this.
You just
Thank you. Back. And we also have a packet of yeast. All right, Dr. Jerissa?
that looks like picture of that.
Yeah. So in this science experiment, Dr. Jerissa, we are going to be able to see how yeast absorb and
Toothpaste.
I know you was gonna say toothpaste. No, but we're gonna see how yeast dissolve this right here, this right hydrogen peroxide into oxygen. Okay? Sounds good?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oxygen in the water. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, you guys. So this sheet tray is one of our sheet tray we use for most of our science experiments. So it's a little banged up, but hey.
We cook.
Yeah, we cook with it too. You can cook with it too as well. Yeah, you are correct. So, Dr. Jerissa, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of our ingredients to the side, which we have the warm water and the hydrogen peroxide. All right. So, Dr. Jerissa, now that I figure out what I was supposed to be doing, so what we're going to do, Dr. Jerissa, I'm going to add the peroxide. Yep, there you go. Put it in there. Put it all in there, girl. And we're gonna add the Dawn dish soap. Okay. So sticky. So we're gonna add that. Oh my gosh, what did you put in there, young lady? It's a little toxic. It's a little Dawn dish soap and hydrogen peroxide. It's taking the air out of me. She's like, whatever, that's not funny, man. Sorry. So you just stir. No, we're not gonna put that yet. So I'm just gonna swirl this around a little bit to mix it up. Dr. Jerissa, so you're gonna add your little food coloring inside of this bowl right here. You guys can pick the color, whatever kind you want. You put that in there, Dr. Jerissa. And then I'm going to take the warm water. Opening this up for Dr. Jerissa. Alright, so you're going to put that inside of here. And make sure that your water is warm, not hot. Got it? Maybe we should go with yellow. Let's mix yellow with it too. Let's be creative. Let's see what color it makes. What, you think it's going to make green?
Yeah.
Oh, blue and yellow makes green. Go ahead, mix that. Let's put more yellow than green, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 drops.
Yeah. You got it? Let me know. Yeah. All right.
That was
Perfect.
a lot.
Perfect. Then I'm gonna add one.
That
more.
was a lot.
Yeah. Add one more drop. All right. Just for fun.
That was a lot.
So now we're done with our food coloring. Yeah, mix it up. I'm sorry. I want to mix it up. Should I mix it up now?
Yeah.
I want to. So now we're going to add this warm water and the yeast, pack it together. It's very hot.
Yeah.
You want to add that to the warm water,
Yeah.
Dr. Jarissa? Let's go this way. Go ahead. Yep. All of it. All of it. Total.
That looks like sand.
Yeah, we're going to stir this up. Looks a
That
little
smells
funny.
like cereal.
Cereal? I don't know how it smells, but she said it smells like cereal. What do you guys think is going to happen? Better yet, what color do you guys think is going to show up? Yeah, I smell it now. I smell it now. It does smell like oatmeal or...
Nasty.
So I'm going to stir this up to dissolve the yeast in this warm water, you guys. And then Dr. Jarissa and you guys are going to be amazed about our Elephant Toothpaste. Hopefully I can get that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should have got a whisk, but it's okay. I'm gonna put this to the side.
Can we pour it?
And 3, 2, 1. Pour it all. Pour it all. All of it. All of it. All of it. All of it. Oh my God. Oh, there you go. Your elephant toothpaste.
I want to touch it.
Go ahead, you can touch it. Nice. So if you do this in a bottle, it probably shoots out a little bit more faster. We just selected the base just so you guys can see a better...
Move all this.
No, you don't need that. So you guys can see a better visual view
It's gonna
of
get everywhere.
the ooze or the yeast
Again.
turning hydrogen peroxide into oxygen and water, okay?
Again.
You want to do it again? As usual, she wants to do it again. So, you guys, but we still have to tell our friends something. What color should we mix next time? What you got? What you think?
Purple.
Purple? So you were correct. It did make a green color. Looks pretty, eh? So you guys also can do a race out of this, Dr. Driss. Did you know that?
No.
So what you can do is you can add 3 bottles. Like I have a bottle, you have a bottle, and your friend can have a bottle. You can have the same ingredients, and guess what? we say 3, 2, 1, start, and let's see who finished first. Yeah, I smell it. Let's see who finished first, okay? Or you can pick the color. See who gets the right color. Yeah, I see. Yeah? You like it? She likes it. Oh my God. So now she wants to play with hydrogen peroxide and yeast. Ay, ay, ay. But thank you guys for watching. Is something you want to tell your friends, or you want to?
I share this guy.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, right?
Yeah.
All right. You want to tell them bye, or you want to?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, you guys.